In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to go from this to this all the way to a super sleek and shiny silk press. So stay tuned for today's video and thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, it's Naja. Welcome back to my channel. Before we even get into this video, I'm going to just tell y'all right now I'm sick, so my voice might sound really crazy. So I do apologize for that. But I wanted to get this video out, so I went ahead and filmed it anyway. And so basically, as you guys can see, today's video is going to be an updated silk press routine. So I am starting off on freshly washed and detangled hair. I put my hair into these two braids just to separate it and just to get it out of the way. But now, as you can see, I'm just undoing them, and I'm going to go in with some oil and just oil my scalp so that my scalp isn't dry. I'm using argan oil. You can use whatever oil works for you. And now I'm just going in and separating my hair into some smaller sections. So I'm going to just put my hair into another two sections. And I'm going to start on this side of my hair. And I'm going to start off by moisturizing my hair. And this is a really important part because you don't want to use too much product. But I'm using this argan oil moisturizer from Cream of Nature. And as you can see, I sprayed about 5 sprays with my hand, and then I massaged it into my hair. You don't want to use too much, because if you do, your entire silk press will be ruined because your hair will be heavy and weighed down. Next, I'm going in with this heat protectant. I've tried so many, but this is truly the best one. It just leaves my hair so shiny and nice. This one is really good, and sometimes I just add a little bit extra to the ends. It doesn't really do anything. But now I'm just going in and I'm blow drying my hair, as you guys can see. Well, when you're doing a silk press and you're blow drying your hair, you want to get your hair as straight as possible before you even like press it with the flat iron. And I like to use like tension to like get my hair as flat as possible before I even go in with the flat iron. If y'all can see what I just did right there by putting a little bit of tension on my hair. And now I'm just moving up to the next part. So I'm literally going to do the same exact thing on this section that I did with the bottom section. Moisturize it very lightly, blow dry it, and then I'm going to move on to the other side. So I went ahead and finished off that section, and I'm just going to braid this up so it doesn't get tangled or anything like that. And then I'm going to do the other side, but I'm going to do it off camera just so we can save some time and make this video as short and to the point as possible. So this is my hair fully blow dried. I tried to get it as flat as possible. I have a lot of hair, so it's never going to look flat, but I think I did a pretty good job blow drying it. And now I can move on to actually straightening my hair. And I'm going to show you guys step by step what I do. So I went ahead and did the back off camera just because I wanted you guys to have a good view of what I was actually doing. But basically, I'm just taking very small sections of my hair, detangling the section, and then going in with the flat iron. Because if you go in with the piece that's too big, your hair is not going to get as straight as it can get. So just get a pretty small section, and then you're going to detangle it. Then you're going to do the chase method, which is what I'm doing right here. You literally are just going to place the comb in front of the flat iron and follow behind with the flat iron. So your hair is getting detangled and straightened at the same time. That is going to get you the flattest look possible. That's going to get your hair the straightest that you can get it. I'm telling you, I've tried many different methods. This is the best. So again, just going in with the small section. Going in with the chase method, doing a pass on my hair, and that is all you need. I try to stick to one pass. Every now and then I might do more than one, but for the most part I'm going to just do one. And as y'all can see, it gets my hair pretty straight. It looks pretty good, pretty flowy. And as y'all can see, I don't have a lot of product on my hair, so it's not weighed down. It looks very airy and just like nice. It's not too heavy or greasy. bad man, they want to fail. So this is what it's looking like right when I'm making it to the top of my head. It looks really good, really flowy. And I'm going to just keep going until I finish this half, and then I'll move on to the next side.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them are got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no. Bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. Just say yeah, bad man, but up the place, and a bad man, but up the place. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them I give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no.
Okay, y'all, so this side is done. It looks great. It just goes to show you that you really don't need a super expensive flat iron to get straight hair. This one was really cheap and it did a really good job. But yeah, I'm going to link it down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. I actually didn't buy it. My mom bought it. She got it from the hair store, so I'm not sure if it'll be on Amazon, but if it is, I'll link it in the description box down below. I definitely recommend it. It's really, really good. The only thing is, it is a thicker flat iron, and I do prefer like a 1-inch, but other than that, it is really good. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Y'all can see it did a great job. So this is flat iron versus blow dried. Big difference. And yeah, I'm just going to go in and quickly do the other side, and then we will be all done. So again, y'all, I just went on up and like skipped up to the top of my head just so we can save time. You know, it's the same thing throughout my whole head, and I just didn't want to take up too much of your guys' time. But I'm literally just going in with the chase method, doing the same thing. When I'm working on like the back of my head, sometimes it is hard to grip, which is why you guys see me doing multiple passes, but that's only because that section is hard to work with. Other than that, I really do try to just stick to one, as y'all can see right here. But yeah, just go in, take out a small section, use the chase method, and do one pass, and you are good to go. That's literally all I do. I got so many compliments on my last silk press video because it came out so good, and honestly this one came out equally as good, if not better. So in addition to using some new hair products, I'm also using a new camera, and I shot this in 4K, which I'm super excited about because my last video I accidentally shot in 720. So let me know if you guys notice a difference. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just going in, bumping my ends, nothing too crazy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And now I'm about to show y'all how it looks. Okay guys, so I'm done my hair, as y'all can see. I only use 3 products, and I will link them all down below. Basically, honestly, the key for getting a super sleek and shiny silk press is to use minimal products. If you are packing, you know, a large amount of product onto your hair is not going to come out good. Like when I do a silk press, I want my hair to be like flowing like this. Like I don't want my hair to be weighed down and like, you know, just greasy. I really want it to be like just, you know, flowy.
And I think I definitely achieved that look today. Honestly, I used the perfect amount of product. If you find that you do a silk press and you feel like your hair feels a little bit dry, what you can do is you can take some argan oil, squirt it on your hand, rub it in, and then put it all through your hair. However, in this case, I pretty much used the perfect amount of product, so my hair feels pretty good. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that, so I'm good. As y'all can see, this is how it looks. It looks really good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the other side. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks in the mirror. As y'all can see, super good. And yeah, like, look at that shine though. Like, look at that shine. But yeah, y'all, it looks super duper good.
Okay guys, so these are the final results. I think it looks great. It literally looks like I went to the Dominicans. I love it. I tried to get as much footage as possible, but my camera ended up dying. I feel like I got better footage in my last video when I used my phone because my phone doesn't die quick. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll definitely be answering all questions down below in the comments. Let me know what you want to see next. And yeah.